Today is a special day because we're officially entering a new chapter. I like to call this one asset accumulation. That's right, we're not just collecting shiny things anymore. We're building a foundation. And this thing here, let's see what you got for me. Come on. Times ago. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh man, look at this. Fresh out the pack from Bullion. Okay. You know it's a good day when they wonder what you're smiling at. I was waiting, honestly not long. I had a hiccup, so this didn't come long at all. When it did arrive, hold up. Now today's item isn't just silver. It's what I like to call a negotiable instrument with personality. I'm gonna show you guys. Isn't she everything? Oh, wait. Okay. So I'm actually still learning as much as possible about these. But as the world keeps pushing toward digital everything, digital money, digital payments, digital receipts, digital, you name it, will send you an email, there's something satisfying about holding a tangible asset in your hand. She beautiful. She gonna be put right up. Woo! And this is what the back looks like. Ooh, I'm gonna collect a bunch of these. I sure am. No batteries required. No software updates, okay? No, please verify if you're human. Just full on real value, okay? This is what we like to say, real value. And if money continues moving toward decentralization in digital systems, having assets that exist outside of a screen can be a smart addition to the toolbox. Okay. So today We just unboxed more than metal, but actual, real, tangible assets in real time. Thank you for unboxing with I. Again, this is a whole new journey that I am on, and I will be documenting a lot more of me on this journey and accumulating as many assets as possible, because the goal always has been to, we're gonna ignore that, but the goal has always been financial freedom.